Hello and welcome to another APro tutorial. In this video, I will be explaining how to get your APro video recorder onto the RX CamView application on your smartphone. So let's get into the video. Here is the default home screen for the RX CamView application. Click the icon in the top right corner to access your device manager. Then click the plus icon in the top right to add a new device. You will be presented with three options. Click Manual. Here you will see the standard interface for adding a new device. Click the QR code icon and allow RX CamView to access your camera. Then locate the silver sticker on top of your DVR and let your camera scan the QR code. Then type in the default password or the password you have changed it to. Make sure after you've accessed your DVR using the default password, change it to something new so no one can access it from their application. Once that's done, click Save and the app will connect to the DVR. You are then presented with 5 different layouts to present your cameras. Simply click each one to scroll through and find the one you like.